Honorable Jane Arisemera urukomishona w'ibyobururo mu kibina cya Rwangisiriza kandi obwira ry'omugenyi mukora ha mukoro gukorahiza chairman hamwe n'abakansara ashabira bebembezo mu district ya Bundujo okwetantaro kuryenguzi emukoreje korirwa hacayi cha Boma omutawuni ya Bundujo. Honorable Jane Arisemera urukomishona w'ibyobururo mu kibina cya Rwangisiriza kandi obwira ry'omugenyi mukora ha mukorogu arabwira akakiko ka district akari kugaba emirimo okwetantaro kuryenguzi.
Tibakunirwa Robert swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
Bareka kuryanguzi tatu bintu byabihiye owenguzi bakumukwata kubi mwagwima district ngakaniye ne Buganda kwata nkubara service commission ya Bondebuge mube exemplary mureke bana batunge emirimo ngo kubasomiye muntu wasage ngo kwasomiye mureke mumuhage murimo nonka batari babondebuge nonka bari wahaka sabasomiye mumuhe murimo ogura.
Robert Tabakunurwa bwa nyuma yo kumara korahira ahabwa inshuro ye ya kabiri nka chairman w'entebe ya katana ahabwa district eji na waraganise kurwana usobora ubwenguzi.
As the excellency is also emphasizing on the issue of corruption, it is also one of my agenda because Bundubujo I inherited a system which was highly corrupt. So, but for the 5 years term, I've tried to reduce on corruption. And by reducing on corruption, I wanted it to become an enemy of some individuals. They gave me headache during the elections because they wanted to fight me out as a person who was trying to block their deals. But this time, they are very unlucky that I'm back. And even if they know it that I'm back, I'm coming now to stop that element completely in all departments of government. Even if there are some people, now if we are not careful with this problem, it's going to spill over to the young generation.
Abu mama amusyagombora emabera hayimane town council abu mama sebare yejumbera ebindu bya matrebetu hayimane bisata emipira eyabisaba ekintu kino munalenge kenyendi ngere na mabera abango kumabenye kwa manga ya chiteka okwa platform ereminyererende.
Smith Tubamwenda nuwaronzerwa kurempanura zishenjero rya district eje ya Bundujo.
Here is